Express the difference between 0.35 and 2/5 as a decimal. Solution. Let's first convert 2/5 to decimal number using long division method. To divide 2 by 5, we insert the decimal point. And write 0 to make 20. Then, 20 divided by 5, gives 4. 4 times 5 is equal to 20. 20 minus 20, gives 0. Then 2/5 in decimal form equals 0.4. The difference between the two decimal numbers equals 0.4 minus 0.35 equals 0.05. The correct answer is D. Simplify 24.4 divided by 0.002. Solution. To simplify 24.4 divided by 0.002 equals 24.4 divided by 0.002. Multiplying the numerator and denominator by 1000 is equal to 24.4 times 1000 divided by 0.002 times 1000 is equal to 24,400 divided by 2. 24,400 divided by 2 gives 12,200 equals 12,200. The correct answer is B. Correct 0.006678 to 3 decimal places. Solution. To correct 0.006678 to 3 decimal places, let us count after the decimal from left to right, 3 digits. The number after the last digit is greater than 5. So we round up to 1, and add to 6. Which makes it 7. Therefore 0.006678 to 3 decimal places is 0.007. The correct answer is B.